Hi everyone, I'm back for another Waray 101 tutorial video and I hope you're enjoying the day today. So before I was able to tackle about how we describe numbers, but today I will show you and you will learn how we um, tell or describe time. So I divided it into three parts. So the first part I'll tell you how what is the word that we use prior to describing the numerical number. So um, if it's only one, it's ala, and if you will describe more than one number, it's alas. Next is how you tell the or describe the numerical numbers. So one is usa. I mean una. One is una. Two is dos. Three is tres. Four is cuatro. Five is cinco. Six is sais. Seven is siete. Eight is ocho. Nine is nueve. And 10 is G's. 11 is once, and 12 is doce. Okay, so if you will tell it's one, so it's a la una. If it's two, is a las dos because it's more than one. So if it's three, a las tres, and so on and so forth. So that's it. And next is how will you tell if it's night, day, or afternoon? So this we use um, hinaga if it's morning, hinkulop if it's afternoon, and hingabi if it's evening. So it's 6 p.m. onwards. So if it's noon. So but in 12 noon, we have a different term for that because it's lunchtime. We use udto. Okay, so we will combine what we learned, the three things that it's like a prefix, the ala and the alas, the numerical description, how we describe the numerical number, and the what do you call that, the time of the day. I mean the if it's day, night, or afternoon. Okay, so let's say 1 p.m. So it's ala una hin kulo because it's PM. If it's morning, it's ala una hin aga. The second example is 12 noon. So it's alas 12. Since it's more than one, we use alas. Alas 12 hin udto. Okay, if it's lunchtime, we use the word udto. Now, if it's 6 a.m., so alas 6 hin aga if it's morning, alas 6 hin gabi if it's 6 p.m. in the um, in the evening already. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something today, and watch out for my next vlogs, and I hope I will be able to create another vlogs that you will learn and be familiar or have an overview about our culture, our place, our food, and the people